Hello everyone, this is Khushi in front of you as you already know, and welcome back to my another video. After so long, I'm here today and creating my solo video. I love to create solo video guys because I love to see the drastic change in myself, how I'm speaking, where I'm lacking, and from these mistakes I try to learn a lot. This is the best technique, and yeah, I'm following the series of improving my English. So uh, I guess I have uploaded so many videos, so many solo videos of mine, and whenever I get time, I used to listen my videos, and from these videos I try to pick the mistakes and try to improve this. So this is the best method I would say you must follow if you are a beginner and you want to start to your journey of learning English. So these are the videos. These you can follow me because I'm sharing my experience, and because you can see the drastic change there, where I'm lacking, where I'm doing. And also I am sharing the best techniques as well, how to speak, how to improve your English day by day. And in this video also I'm going to share two best technique I would say. If you are a learner, if you start from scratch, you watch this video till end. So I will share two best technique that I am following these days. You want to really want to improve your English and you start from scratch and you are a beginner, so you must try these techniques. So this is related to your mouth exercise, I would say, mouth therapy, whatever you can say. But before this, I just want to relate to these techniques, which is really very easy. If you are thinking that this is, I don't know what is the, difficult or not, but no, it is really very easy and it is really very, improvable. It is really very interesting technique, I would say as well. So if you follow this, you can definitely see the drastic change in your English. Previous videos I would from my in my previous videos I shared with you a lot of experience of mine. If you don't see those videos, so you must watch these videos as well, because there I'm sharing how to improve if you are a beginner, if you are a if you start your journey from scratch. So I had shared a lot of techniques and the way related to the English, and you can seriously I don't know that you can see or not, but I know that I'm feeling that I observe that there is a biggest drastic change in my English way of speaking and elaborate the things, and in front of camera how to face the people. So due to this, if you want to improve, so you must follow my videos also. So in this videos, definitely I'm going to share two more techniques. This is really very easy and best technique, I would say. So first one is I'm going to share with you guys. First of all, before sharing the technique, I want to say something to you, that is, you have to practice your mouth exercise. you know whenever we are learning any language, how we can learn. So people can learn any language due to their environment, because they have an environment. But mouth have a biggest role in any language, to learn any language. If you start speaking, so you definitely your mouth become habitual with this language. So this is the first technique I'm going to share, that is mouth therapy. That is mouth therapy, how it is working and how to do. What I'm doing exactly these days, whenever I have no time to learn the language, I just create my own genre and try to speak wherever and whatever I'm doing. Usually I am using this therapy, I'm using this technique while I'm learning, while I'm studying, while I'm doing study. So how to do this is really very simple. Whatever you are learning now, you just take a reading of that concept, whatever you are learning. Like you are learning a life cycle, okay, you have a notes, you have your notes, you just try to read all of your notes in your language and try to speak like a teacher, like you are teaching that topic to the students and try to elaborate in on your own way but in English. It really very best technique I would say, and I'm usually do this whenever I'm learning, whenever I'm doing study now. So the notes I first I do first what I'm doing, have to read my own notes, and after that I close my notebook. After that I try to speak like I'm a teacher and I'm explaining that topic to the students but in English. It's really 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 very helpful for me. This is the first technique, guys, because yeah, I know that English is really very important for me and I'm learning this language, and if I take a gap now, so seriously I don't get the improvement, I don't get the fluency in me. But I don't break the consistency. So if you don't have time, so create your own genre that I'm doing. Like this is the best technique I would say. Like if you're learning, so if you are doing study, so there you can read your notes in English and explain it like a teacher. So so that's how I'm improving as well. I guess it is really very best technique I'm using these days. So and the second technique is how to learn vocabulary. Whenever I jotted down in some vocabularies, like I watched any conversational video, and from this video I picked some words from there and just jotted down in my in my diary. So little I forgot to use in my um, conversation. But what I'm doing, how to use these vocabulary, this is the best method that I'm going to share. That is, you have to jot it down in front of you. You just write that words, and you just write that word and आपके सामने रख लेना. I don't know that how to elaborate this. So आपके सामने रख लेना, and while you are speaking, while you are conversating with others, you just try to use these words. um this is a really very best technique because I am doing this whenever I have a conversation with someone. I just pick these word in front of me and try to use these word in my conversation. So that's why I'm saying to you, speaking is the most important way. Whenever you go through these words on regular basis, so really it take it automatically fit on your mind. It's really really give a best result to you. It set in your mind automatically, and after some times you can easily use in your conversation. This is the, I guess, this is my second technique that I'm following. So I hope this is maybe best for you if you are following me. So these kind of techniques I'm sharing with you, that how I'm learning my English, what I'm doing, what are the practices, what are the things I'm using. If you are a beginner, so I help you anyhow. So if you really want to talk with me also, so DM me on my Telegram channel. It is given in your it is given in my description box. So this is, I guess, enough for this video. So if you like this technique, so please comment me and share your views also. And yeah, that's enough for this video. See you soon in another video. Bye bye. See you. Take care.